Man, oh man, this better work. Alright, so now we're going to be drilling the holes to mount it on, and these two holes are going to also be for the springs. So on the last one I just kind of eyeballed it, but this one you can't just eyeball, but I'm going to because I don't really care. As long as this and this looks lined up and looks about square, it should look good because of these 4 bolts will be sticking out of the board's top. So just to make it look good. But if you don't care about how it looks and you just want it functional, it doesn't really matter. But I just want it to look good. So I'm going to drill those 4 holes and do the same thing on the next one. Okay guys, before you paint, you're gonna want to make sure that you scrub them off with like soap and water to remove any oils and everything, because of that's gonna affect the way that the paint sticks to it. So I just barely rinse these ones, so I'm gonna set them aside to dry. But I'm gonna be using this hammered Rust-Oleum paint because I did a poll on Instagram, and that seems like what people wanted. So let's do that.